Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" And how the reindeers loved him as he shouted out with glee, "Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, you'll go down in history. Rudy the Red Big Reindeer, you'll go down in history." Dun 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 dun. Thank you. Go subscribe, comment, goodbye.